So this was asked on a Facebook group for bio teachers, and I want to help out. So let's say, so it's basically asking how do you make custom error bars for a scatter plot for multiple treatment groups. So in this example, you have three individuals, and their, let's just say, heart rate is measured at a 15-minute interval. So runner one, 15-minute, what's the value at 30 minutes, what's the value at 45 minutes, what's the value. So that's done for three runners. And for each plot, you have a standard deviation. So it's quite easy on Excel, but a little bit tricky on Google Sheets. But you can still, it's still doable. So I'm going to show you how to do it for two runners, and I hope that, well, you can add as many series afterwards. So this is his data. All right, so I've prepared it here already. So what you usually do is when you highlight that, and then you insert chart, you choose scatter plot right there. You can't add individual error bars to this one. So it's going to have the same value for each series. So you delete that and you make a table that looks something like this. So put the different time here and there and write down the values like this. Okay, so 3, 7, 12. It's basically this one for runner 1. So I'm going to show you for runner 1 first. So these are the values for runner 1. And then repeat those numbers right here on another column. Okay, so let's go. So you highlight that. Again, we're making for the first series for runner 1. And then you insert, what am I doing? Insert chart right here, and then you click on scatter plot there. And what you can easily do is to add error bars for each of the points. So I wrote the error bars here. So this is a standard deviation for 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and 45 minutes. So you just do it one by one. Double click on that, and so it says data series 1. You scroll all the way down, you click error bars, you put constant, and then, well, you can just type in the value. So right there. Okay, so that should be there right now. And then for the 30-minute interval error bar, do the same thing. Hold on. Okay, data series 2. And you click error bar. You put constant. As you can see here, standard deviation 0.5 there. So let's put again standard deviation 0.5 right there. You can't see it. I'll adjust this later. And then this one is error bar 0.4. So constant 0.4 there. All right, let's customize the y-axis first so you can see the different sizes of the error bars. Top style, vertical axis. There we go. We can put the maximum value to 20 there. So you can kind of see how these error bars are different. Okay, their actual standard deviation values. Alright, so as for runner 1, we're not done because these are different colors. What we're going to do is click on the table again and right click and click on data range and hold on, here, right here, add series, and click on the data range. Let's move that right here and highlight this additional column there with individual values. That makes the plot the same color. Alright, so this is for runner 1. You can just easily remove these because that doesn't make sense right now. Customize, so that's legends, and you put none. Alright, so that's for runner 1. Now I want to add to runner 2. So how do we do it? Um, this one takes a while, so you just have to be patient. Alright, so you click series again, and then it's alright. Right click, data range. Here, watch carefully. We're gonna do this one by one. Sorry, by the way, so I'm gonna do for runner 2 right here. 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes. Again, write it like a table like this one right here. And list down the individual values and the additional column right here. Alright, so how do we do it? Data range, add series. Gonna have to do it one by one. So select data range. I'm just gonna highlight for this one first, and it adds that plot right there. Then you keep adding the rest of the other time interval. So this is 30 minutes. Make sure to highlight all of the cells right there. There, 12.5, and lastly here. Okay, so it's of different colors for now, and I've listed down the standard deviation here just for reference. I'm going to add that individually, just like how we did it before. So error bar, constant, it says 2.2 right there. Okay, and this one is custom constant, 0.5. Excuse my dog. And this one is error bar 0.1. It's not in percent, it's constant 0.1 right there. Okay, so let me just check this one. I think this is wrong. What you're gonna have to do is right click again, data range, and then you add another series, and then you highlight this additional column right here for all the values, and ta-da, you have all same color there. Alright, let's see. This makes it looks bigger. There. And you can, if you want to add trend line, easily do that. You can compare the, I don't know, rates probably. Let's see. Data series 8, trend line there. Doesn't look like it's the best fit, so let's say polynomial. This one too. Trend line. Let's do that too, right there. You know you can show the L value, so you can compare the best fit. Excuse my doggies. Oh, and by the way, it's too many colors here. So again, you can go to, alright, where is it? Legends. And right there. If you want to, so you can't put just these two legends. Alright, so you can keep doing that for as many series as you want to plot everything in one graph with the individual error bars there. Hope this is helpful.